The history of Apis species, evolution, domestication, and conservation. The genus Apis, commonly known as honeybees, is one of the most ecologically and economically significant groups of insects on Earth. With their unique capacity to produce honey, wax, and other products, and their crucial role as pollinators, Apis species have long held a special place in both nature and human civilization. This article explores their evolutionary origins, historical domestication, ecological role, and the challenges they face in the modern world. Evolutionary origins. The genus Apis belongs to the family Apidae within the order Hymenoptera, which also includes ants and wasps. Fossil evidence suggests that Apis bees evolved around 30 to 40 million years ago during the Eocene epoch. These early bees are thought to have evolved from predatory wasps, gradually shifting their diet from meat to pollen and nectar. The earliest known fossil of a true Apis bee is Apis henshawi, discovered in Europe and dating to about 35 million years ago. Genetic and fossil records show that the genus likely originated in southern Asia, particularly the Himalayan region, which remains a biodiversity hotspot for wild Apis species. Diversity of Apis species. There are currently about 10 recognized species within the Apis genus, broadly categorized into 1. Cavity nesting bees, Apis mellifera, the western honeybee, Apis cerana, the eastern honeybee, open nesting bees, Apis dorsata, Apis laboriosa, the Himalayan giant honeybee, Apis florae, and Apis andreniformis, the dwarf honeybees. Each species has adapted to specific climates and geographies. For instance, Apis laboriosa nests on cliffs at high altitudes in the Himalayas, while Apis florae thrives in the lowland tropics of Southeast Asia. Domestication and cultural importance. Apis mellifera, the domesticated honeybee. Among the Apis species, Apis mellifera has been the most widely domesticated. Native to Europe, the Middle East, and Africa, this species has been cultivated for over 9,000 years, with evidence of beekeeping found in ancient Egyptian and Mesopotamian records. Honey and beeswax were valued for food, medicine, religious rituals, and trade. Beekeeping practices spread to Greece, Rome, and eventually to Asia and the Americas through colonization and trade. Apis cerana, Eastern traditions. In parallel, Apis cerana was domesticated in China and India. Ancient Chinese and Ayurvedic texts document apiculture practices using log and clay hives, emphasizing honey for medicinal and spiritual use. Ecological role and pollination services. Apis species play a crucial role in the ecosystem as pollinators of wild and cultivated plants. They are responsible for the pollination of over 75% of global food crops, including fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Their ecological interactions support biodiversity, soil health, and food security. Modern threats and conservation efforts. In the 21st century, honeybees face several existential threats, including colony collapse disorder, CCD, primarily affecting Apis mellifera, has raised global concern since the mid-2000s. Pesticides, especially neonicotinoids, harm bees' nervous systems. Habitat loss and climate change disrupt natural foraging and nesting cycles. Parasites, such as the Varroa destructor mite, and diseases like Nosema cerana significantly reduce colony health. Conservation initiatives. Conservation and sustainable beekeeping efforts include promoting organic farming and integrated pest management, or IPM, protecting natural habitats and encouraging urban beekeeping, breeding disease-resistant bee strains, educating the public and supporting pollinator-friendly legislation. Conclusion. The Apis genus represents more than just honey production. It encapsulates millions of years of evolutionary history, intricate ecological interactions, and enduring cultural connections. As both wild and domesticated Apis species face mounting pressures, understanding their history is vital for crafting a sustainable future that values pollinators as integral to life on Earth.